Introductory part of C++ program. So here we will learn about what is a compiler, how data is represented, and how a program actually looks like. Okay. Moving to the first slide, what is a machine language? Machine language is the language which is understood by a computer. The only language that a computer understands is the machine language. And the machine language is a combination of zeros and ones. Zeros and ones combination is otherwise known as the binary language. Okay, binary language. So the computer understands only the binary language. But there is a problem with the humans because if we have to give the commands for a computer to do, we have to do completely in the combination of zeros and ones, which will be a tedious process, right? So here what we will use is this. That means the C++, C, Java, Python. So these are the languages which is otherwise known as the high level languages. And these high level languages are used by the programmers to code or to give the commands for a computer. And later the compilers will convert this high level, that means the C++ or C languages, to the machine language. So have you heard about the language translators? We know that if we were in another country and we don't know about their native language, we will simply use this language translator and we will say it in English language, right? And this translator will convert it into the corresponding native language. Say it is China, Japan, or French, something, right? So this is the example of the compilers or the use of the compiler. So this is the machine language, that is the language understood by a computer. And you know about the parts of a computer like input unit, output unit, CPU, memory unit, right? Now, how decimals and letters represented in a computer? What is this decimals means? That means 0 to 9, right? 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 numbers are the decimal. That means the combination also, that is 100, 1050. So any numbers which will be in the decimal, that means its base will be 10, right? For the binary, the base will be 2, right? And how these decimals and letters are represented in a computer? As we know that computer only understand about the machine language or binary language. Here, there is a basic concept, that is 1 byte. We know the basic unit of a memory, which is byte, right? And 1 byte is the 8 bits. Bit means either 0 or 1 is the bit, right? Either 0 or 1 is the bit, and 1 byte equal to 8 bits. And 1 byte allows 2 raised to 8, that means 256 ways of different combinations. Okay, so 2 is the base because you know the binary zeros and 1 is only possible. So base will be 2 and 2 raised to 8 will be the combination possible by the 1 byte. And in the previous example, you have seen that 6, the number 6 is coded as 0110 in binary language. So how it is happening? We know that there is a thing like 8421 concept. Okay, so 8421 concept means, for example, the letter 6, right? Here we can see that the combination will be 4 plus 2, right? So 4 plus 2 means here only we should put 1 and the remaining will be 0. Okay. So therefore the code like 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is the decimal format and this is in the binary format. Now, for example, say 8. 8. 8 in the decimal, how we will code in binary? So here only the 8 comes, right? And the remaining not required, right? So 1. In the place of 8 you should put 1, then remaining 4 is 0, 2 is 0 and 1 is 0. And if you have to put like 13, right? 30. So 30 means what? The combination will be 8 plus 4. That means 12 plus 1. So here we doesn't require any number. And the 8 plus 4 plus 1 is the 13, right? So 1, 1, 0 and 1. So we will get 30. So this is the decimal representation in a computer. And how we will represent the letters? We will represent the letters with the help of ASCII format. ASCII, otherwise known as American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Here, the letter A is represented by some binary things, okay, which is referred to as decimal 65 in the ASCII table. So, the letters are represented in the ASCII format. ASCII format is same, that is it saves these letters in the same binary format as digits or as decimals in accordance to a pattern, and the pattern is the ASCII pattern. Okay.